What's up everybody? So this video kind of shows how to do the cabin air filter, and I love Mercedes Benz engineering, but this is sort of, in my opinion, kind of a stupid place. Basically you have 3 screws here, and it's T25. Alright, so I mentioned before I didn't think it was the greatest place in the world to put the air filter, and it's kind of so bad that I had to re-record this part of the video because I realized I skipped like a bunch of steps. I mean, I'm not ready for this. Look at my hair. I mean, come on, man. All right, anyway. Well, that's worse. Whatever. All right, so what you're going to do here is there's also like interlocking plastic tabs. So after you drop those 3 from the front, there's a little tab on the right-hand side, or I guess not starboard. And if this is the glove box, it slides in under. Okay, same idea like at the footwell. So starboard, like footwell. And this is probably reversed for right-hand drive vehicles, but you know, let's stick with what I know. Okay, so starboard footwell. There's like an area, like kind of like that doesn't have leather on it. It's plastic, and it's like probably going to match the rest of the interior of the car, I would guess. For mine, it's beige. That part, this black piece actually also goes under. And then you have the like carpet on top of both of those pieces, and the carpet, you know, like you kind of pull forward, and you have to like scrunch it a little bit. You got to be gentle, scrunch it a little bit and pull it out. This thing you kind of have to bend it out a little bit. And as you go through, add a little bit of sound dampening, because there's a lot of plastic on plastic right there. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, my hair is distracting me. Anyway, so this area is just going to rattle. You know what I'm saying? So I use like furniture, like little pads, but in the comments of one of my other videos, someone mentioned that there's like felt that's like designed for this very purpose, and you're just going to want to put a little bit wherever there's plastic on plastic. And then you go in here and you slide the white tabs forward and then drop it. All this stuff here is related to the Android screen. So this is where I put like the car link kit and all this stuff instead of back here, so that I can just sort of get here easily. So this is the old one, put in the new one. I would guess it takes like 10 minutes, but to be honest, I would have probably put this somewhere else. So these come down, you have to pull this forward too. And then I guess this one like kind of like snaps in a little bit here. The install of the filter is going to be pretty much the opposite. You're going to put the filter in. It only goes one way. If it feels like there's too much resistance, it's in the wrong way. You got to flip it around. And I would go with the official Mercedes Benz filter here. The man filters, the aftermarket filters, if you notice, they have like kind of like a plastic piece on top, where the official Mercedes filter actually has plates all the way to the top. And when I mean the opposite, basically when you took the filter down, you had to like unlock the white part from the housing and the filter. This time you're going to push it up, and then like, you know, in the area where it would unlock, this time you're going to slide it over, so it overlaps both on the filter and on the housing, and it just like holds it up there.